Alright guys, I'm gonna get up and try to make a move on this bird. Try to figure out where he's at. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it's Tuesday, April 6th. Early in the morning, I got birds gobbling all around me. About to do something pretty crazy. This tree right here, I'm about to climb halfway up in it because I think I got a bird coming in. I got a hen decoy, a feeder hen decoy out at 15, 20 yards, so I'm gonna try to shoot a bird out of a tree. That tree, I'm gonna be right there. Hopefully he comes up the finger of this ridge and I can get a shot on him in range. Stay tuned. So, I got a bird down the ridge to my right, one back behind me, both within 120 yards. He's fired up. Alright. The tree setup is cool and all, but I'm gonna get down and I gotta make a move on one of these birds. We got like 4 days left of season here in Missouri, so I'm doing everything I can to get one on the ground. And I've been hunting hard. They've been hard to kill on us. So, gonna try to make something happen. Stay tuned. Holy crap, man. I didn't even have time to get that on film, but bird on the ground. Let's go. "15-yard shot. Had to sneak over a ridge. What a crazy morning. But hey, it's paid off. There you go. Double bearded. Let's go. Check that out. What a crazy morning, guys. Can't believe it finally paid off. Had about 6 or 7 different birds gobbling this morning. Dad finally made it out. He was hunting across the road. We were both trying to get this bird killed. And I had to put the sneak on him. He was hung up, and it's literally 8:30. So since he got off the roost, he was gobbling all morning, fired up. And yeah, put the sneak on him. Now he's down on the ground. Heck of a morning.